Yeah, I'm not gonna like I mostly just care like what's the gap? What's the gap? Why did that happen? What and then how did it happen? What were the processes? I almost wish, like we could show our homework a bit more. You know what I mean? I feel like that would go a long way in this whole sort of like when people
It's the
release
Y column,
features.
man. Why
It's
is
the
it like this way?
Why is it the Y column again? Renaming Shop Talk Show to the Y column. That's our
I
spin-off
do think about
podcast.
it a lot. Maybe
Yeah.
we could co-write a book, Dave. That'd be a good
Yeah.
one.
No, it's the Y column all over again. I had a Y column this week. It was like we had to like redo a API thing, and it's or like the like slots on a web component, and it was just like it'd be sure great to have a Y column.
Yeah, yeah. I've been more and more annoying about it at work. I like held up a PR forever because I was like, no,
Ooh.
in this file, at the top of the file, you put /* return / and then write out why the rest of the file is this way. Like I just won't even merge it until that's in there. That links to where more information. If it's like too cumbersome for one file, then you can link out. And like even if it's Notion, I don't love that. I'd prefer that it like references a .md in the code base somewhere so it doesn't just get lost over time.
Mm-hmm.
But that's okay. Like if it has to be a Notion because we're just a small company and that's the way it is, fine, or something. But it was like a list of plugins, and we are making a like semi-dramatic change to the list in there. And I'm like, we're gonna wonder, because I already wonder why the list of plugins was the way it was now. And if we're gonna chop it up and change it, why now? I don't understand then. I'm not going to understand again in the future. Just like tell me why. And it's, we call it the Y column because we often talk about database changes. But in this case, it's not a column, but it's a line of something. It's like
A
the
Y line.
Y.
Y
Yeah.
line.
A Y line.
Instead of byline is Y line.
But I think as
Yeah.
for a book title, the Y column is almost
The
better.
Y column.